Hi everybody, Amy here. Welcome to my channel. I have a share with you. This is an Etsy haul. This is from I'm a Cool Mom. I'm a Cool Mom Boutique, I think. She had a sale last week on her Etsy shop. I think everything is, I'm not sure what the percentage off is right now, but she had her junk journal kits on sale, and the fabric kits were on sale, and all kinds of other stuff. So I will leave the link below so you guys can go over there and check out her channel as well as her Etsy shop, because she does have a huge sale going on right now, so you may want to check it out. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I haven't opened it yet. This bag is just beautiful. I need to find where you guys are getting these bags. They're so gorgeous. So let's just go ahead and pull this out. I think this wasn't the whole journal kit. This was just the partial. So let's just go ahead and take a look here. First of all, I'm going to read her note. So yeah, it's Cool Mom Boutique. Cool Mom Book Boutique. You might want to go over there and check her out to see what she has. I haven't been over there yet again this week, but I was excited that she had this big sale going on. So let's just take a look here. This is like a little goodie pouch. Let's start with that. I think this is her thank you gift to anyone who ordered. That bag is neat. So you get some die cuts and a little Pictionary card. Some of these Tim Holtz dies. These are cute. Flowers. There's a couple tags here. A guest check and then a large tag. So that was very nice. Thank you so much, Jessica. I appreciate that. And then let's get into the fabric. I'm excited to see what's in here. So you don't know what you're getting. I think you just get kind of a mishmash of stuff. But these are, cool, cool, cool. So we've got some really neat trims. This is that, I think it's called Sorry Ribbon. I love this orange and pink together. Isn't that beautiful? So we've got some different colored Sorry Ribbon. Very cool. I'm going to be able to make some really, you could use these for closures. Here is some like purpley mesh stuff. That's pretty cool. And you get quite a bit. Here's some green and blue. Very pretty. Ooh, I love this. And then some scraps of vintage fabrics. We've got all different colors, different lengths, some lace. This is a pretty mint green, some blue and purple, and then some more pieces of fabric. These would be great for those hairy paper clips that I see people make. I don't know if you guys follow Tammy Brackett or not, but she makes some really cool stuff. Yeah, so I'm excited to play with these fabrics. You can use these for anything. So that is quite a large amount. You can add these to any journals. And then we've got, I think this is the actual fabric kit. So look at this. Oh wow, that is really neat. Beautiful embroidery. It's just bits and pieces of stuff. This is beautiful. Wow, look at that. Neat, neat, neat. So I am excited to be playing with these. Some really beautiful fabric pieces and scraps. All different colors, all different shapes, all different sizes. This kind of feels like felt or maybe flannel. And we got some sheer stuff. This is beautiful. Very pretty. Ooh, I am very excited to get some orange scraps. Orange is my favorite color, as you guys know. That's really pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. This looks like it's paint. So I'm super excited to play around with this and make kind of like maybe a Bohemian patchwork journal is kind of what I was thinking. So I need to learn how to sew, guys. I haven't sewed since the 7th grade. Those are pretty. Ooh, that's neat. So I'm not sure where she gathered all these items from, but I really like being able just to get little bits and pieces of it, because I know I wouldn't use a lot of fabric just because I don't. So, but I did want to share what I did purchase. Ooh, here's a fun little purple piece. It's like velvet. It's beautiful blue, navy blue with the gold trim. That's pretty, with the different sparkles. And then here is the big piece. This is like a quilt. It feels quilted. And it looks like it's hand stitched. So this would be enough for a journal cover, which would be beautiful. So I'm excited about that. I like this side. And then here is the other side. So that's neat. And then we've got some muslin that you could use for the inside or the outside. You could make a couple, I could make several journals with all this. And then here is a really, really pretty doily. Gorgeous. So I'm super happy with that. And then in this little bag, it looks like you get a bunch of different items to make charms. Ooh, 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 whoops. Okay, so she's got, I think she has a tutorial on how to make these Bohemian charms. So we've got some of this really cool. Oops, I dropped one of these. So we've got some of these. I'm going to have to look and see if I can figure out how to make them. I just dropped one on the floor. I'll pick that up. And then here is some black, red, and silver eyelash trim. And here is some DMC thread, embroidery thread or cross-stitch thread. And then, I don't want to lose all these pieces, so I'm just going to put them back in there. Looks like we've got different buttons. Some different vintage buttons. That one's definitely vintage. One of those little rings. So yeah, lots of buttons, different shapes and sizes and colors. And then a paper clip. Looks like we have some wire. Oh, and then she threw in this really cute charm. It looks like a crocodile scissors. That's cute. And then just some little beads and some other little bits and pieces. Here, let me just put them in my hand, yeah? These beads are tiny and they're getting away from me. So yeah, she's just got some pieces of wire, some clips, you know, just different types of beads and such. So yeah, that was the mini junk trunk, Bohemian junk trunk kit from I'm a Cool Mom. So I just thought I would share that with you because she is having a huge sale, guys. So you might want to go over there and check out and see what she has left. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I don't know if I probably won't get to playing around with this until after the first of the year with the holidays and everything coming up. So I may not make anything with it until then, but I did want to share at least so that, you know, if you guys are interested, you can get over there and check her out. So thanks so much. Have a great night. Bye.